guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching this for the first time, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. The same intro all the time, but it's okay. Today's video is going to be my travel makeup essential kit. So this is the pouch that I carry whenever I'm going out of Chennai. So yeah, I do have some makeup stuffs and some nail stuff inside this bag, but not skincare. It's only strictly makeup. I do have a lot of skincare with me, but that is in a separate bag and I'm not going to show you that. So yeah, this is the pouch that I carry, and this one is from Nykaa, and I'm going to tell you guys what are all there inside this pouch right here. So if you want to know my travel makeup kit, then keep on watching.
Hey, pop the trunk, open up, I saw my soul. Price out of sight, my whole got talent.
This is really a cute pouch from Nykaa. This has a nice bling at the top and plain pastel pink at the bottom, and this is how it looks at the back. So yeah, I really like this pouch. So the first thing I have here is the beauty blender. Beauty blender is like the must for me. Even if I don't have any brushes, beauty blender is enough for me to do my makeup. It's very simple. You guys know my go-to makeup. It's already up in the channel. Just go and watch it if you want. So I carry this beauty blender. This is from Nykaa. I love this beauty blender. This creates a flawless look, but this tone apart like so quickly, it's okay. I love this. Otherwise, this is really affordable. I like this beauty blender. So this is the first one that I carry, and the next one I can see here. Actually, it is not in any particular order. I'm just going to show it in a random way. The next thing I can see is a Maybelline compact powder. I'm not a powder person. I don't use powder usually, but this has a mirror in it, and that is the reason why I carry this with me. If I'm not in any room and if I'm not in a place that has a mirror, I just use this compact powder to do my entire face makeup. So this mirror is important for me. That is the reason why I carry this Maybelline compact powder. So this is the second thing that I can see. And then we have this voste mascara. This is the mascara I use like all the time. I do have the Maybelline one and Blue Heaven one at my house. Right now I'm at my hometown. So yeah, this is the one I carried with me. This is the Bella Was HD mascara. I love this, and I will be using this like forever, I guess, until I find a new better one. So this is the one that I carry with me. And next we have my Lakme Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I love this primer. This is the primer that I always use, and also this is the one that I have. I don't have any other primer with me, and this is almost in a closing stage. Actually, this one is going to get over. I will be buying another one, and I'm sure that I'll be buying the same one because I like it. I might buy the Color Bar one, but I'm not very sure about that. So this one is on the affordable side. It's a drugstore brand, Lakme, and I really like this. I always need a primer because I do have a lot of pores near my T-zone, and I like it. I always carry this with me whenever I go out of Chennai. So this is the next one we have. And then we have, okay, let me show you the foundation. This is the Loreal Matte Magique 12 Hours Foundation, the shade G1. So yeah, I like this foundation, you guys. I carry this with me because it's travel friendly. It's of tube shape, and also it is not glass bottle. It's a hot metallic pink. I love this color. I love the packaging. It is travel friendly package, so that is the reason why I carry this with me. I don't carry the L'Oreal Infallible, or I don't carry the Fitme foundation with me. I might carry that sometime, but this is the one that I'm carrying recently. So yeah, I like this L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation. So yeah, so this is the one I have. And then we have okay, let me show you guys the concealer. This one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in the shade, I don't know the shade, I'll mention it here. Okay, it's Warm Honey. And then I have Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And these two are the concealers that I'm using a lot lately, and I love to carry this because both of them are travel friendly. It is not made of glass bottle, and there is no chance that it might get leaked in my pouch and spoil my bag. So these two are the concealers I'm using and I'm carrying so much lately. Oh my god, my throat is not in a good condition, you guys. Okay, next we have, okay, we have two lipsticks. One is from Miss Clair. This is the Miss Clair Soft Matte Lip Cream. If you guys watched my previous videos, then you guys know that I love this lip cream. This one is in the shade 44. I know my throat is so bad. I don't know if it's because I'm talking like so fast. So yeah, this one is the Miss Clair SMLC in the shade 44. I really like this shade, you guys. This one is like a beautiful pink. I love this color. So this is the one that I carry, and the other one is the Maybelline Color Show lipstick in the shade Midnight Pink. This one is like a mauve shade. So these two are the shades that I'm carrying with me. I love both of the shades. If I want like a subtle pink color, I wear this. If I want like a bold shade, I wear this. If I want, I'll just mix both of them and I wear this on my lips. Next we have this lip balm. This is the Alia Loves New York Maybelline Baby Lips. I love this baby lips, you guys. I have already reviewed this in my channel. If you want, go and check that out. I love this because it gives a little bit of tint on my lips. I like it because it's a village. If I wear a lot of lipstick and go out, people will stare at me like, oh, who is she with a lot of lipstick? Ooh, like that. So I don't wear lipstick whenever I'm going to nearby markets or places. Even if I'm going for any function, I don't wear a lot of makeup in here, but I just carry all these things if I want to shoot videos. So that is the reason why I carry a lot of makeup. But other than that, baby lips is the only thing that I wear on my lips. So that is the reason why I have it. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips in the shade Brooklyn Bronze. I carry only this shade, and I have Nivea lip balm, but that is in the skincare kit. So we have an eyebrow pencil. This is the DMC eyebrow pencil. This is the one I'm using a lot lately, and yeah, there is nothing much to talk about it. And then we have OBN nail polish remover. This is the nail polish remover I always use. I don't use any liquid nail polish remover or the dip and twist remover. I just use these cotton pads. Actually, this is so good, you guys. Oh my god, it fell down. So this is so good, you guys. If you love a lot of nail polishes, then get nail polish wipes. This actually helps to remove nail polish like in a go. So I like this, and I carry this Eyetex Dazzler. Okay, this is the one I'm having on my nails right now. So this is the Eyetex Dazzler. What is this? Nail polish. I don't know the shade. I guess it is SMLC 23. I don't know whether it's a shade or not. Okay, the shade is D05. This is the shade I'm carrying. I do have some other shades in my skincare bag. I don't know why I have kept it in that, because there is no space actually. It's almost... now it's over, but yeah, there is no space. It was almost full, so I just carried only one nail polish in this kit because I love this color. It's like orange, peach, pink color. I know I have given a lot of colors to it, but yeah, it's a pinkish peach kind of color. I love it. So yeah, this is the next thing that I carry. Okay, it's over. And also I carry this pack makeup fixer separately in my bag because this will not fit into this pouch. I need makeup fixer, you guys, because I don't use powder and my T-zone gets oily like so quickly. Even though my face is so dry, my T-zone gets oily, so I use makeup fixer. And also this gives me a dewy look, and I love dewy look. I don't like matte look. I'm not a matte look person, so I carry this pack makeup fixer with me. We're done. It's over, you guys. These are the things that I carry with me. All these products are travel friendly. This will not get broken while traveling and all. So that is the reason why I'm carrying all these things. I do have a lot of glass packaged makeup items with me. I will never ever carry those with me when I'm going out, but these are all like travel friendly makeups and travel friendly makeup kit, you can say. So yeah, these are the things that I carry with me whenever I go out of town. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends. I hope you like this video. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Keerthi. Bye.